How to update Instagram Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update your Instagram Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update Instagram Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is, let's say whenever you come to the DMs icon here, you would see this little messaging like icon, and then you want to get that type of messaging update for Instagram. For that, you want to first of all come to the profile icon from the bottom right here, tap the three lines option, and then check if there is any sort of updates available within this tab that says you to update the messenger. Now if that option is not available, then you can also just try going to settings, and here you might find the option called update messaging. If none of the solutions work for you, just come back to your Play Store over here, as you'd be able to find it. Check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then now make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.